Hello, Atomians. My name is Israel Kim SRM Master from San Diego Global Center. Today, I have a pleasure of introducing you where and how to find Atomy information. Okay, first, you will open up a web browser, either to your phone or computer or tablet, and you will type www.atomy.com/global. So global website is a website that is currently underused by a lot of members. So today I want to kind of show you how useful this page is. So once you open that page, you will go to right top corner where you can change the language to English. Once the page has been opened, please look at the top sections. It has information about the company, products, and different things. So I want you to take advantage of these invaluable information so you have more knowledge and information you can share with your prospects. Once you have read some of those information, I want you to take a look at the right corner bottom and click on Atomy Hub to shop. All right, so once the page has been opened, I want you to click on Shopping Mall. And because we want to shop in the United States, click USA. And once you click on that, screen 3, as you can see, it will open up a shopping mall. What about the global shopping mall? So for global shopping mall, you will be clicking at Gmall, which has been included in this page a few months ago. So this allows global members to be able to shop, which is amazing. So in this example, I have chosen Switzerland. So once the global shopping mall has been opened under Switzerland, please notice that you can see and buy all these products. So even if Switzerland has not been opened yet, the member can still make a purchase from Switzerland. Pretty amazing, right? Okay, now I want to talk about USA Channel Atomy. Screen number 1, again, go to Atomy Hub. Now this time you're going to click on Channel Atomy. Again, we're going to click on USA. And guess what? It's going to open Channel Atomy of the United States. USA Channel Atomy has many different information that are really cool. So first thing that I noticed was Academy. And another thing that I have noticed was business resources. Academy includes one-day seminar and Success Academy that many of us have watched already. So please take advantage of that, right? So you can review it again. Another thing it has is business resources. So now here I have found so many great information such as marketing plan, about the company intro, 8 steps to success that CEO Hangyo Park talks about all the time. So now what's so great about this is it has all the PowerPoint presentation that you need so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So please take advantage of those PowerPoints in different languages as well. So Global Channel Atomy can be accessed through, again, Atomy Hub by clicking on Channel Atomy. Now, instead of clicking USA, you're going to click on Global. It will open up the page that you can see on the third screen. So Global Channel Atomy has many different languages, as you can see on the top. There are many different languages that we don't speak, right? However, thanks to Atomy global website, you can now utilize some of the information they have in different languages without having to learn the language. So if you have partners from across the world, you can utilize this page. Now let's find out how to access USA official YouTube channel. Simply go to Google and type Atomy YouTube USA official and click on the first thing you see. Now USA official YouTube channel has all the videos that are pretty resourceful, and I find it very helpful because I can share with a lot of my consumers and prospects, which is amazing. All right, once the USA official YouTube channel has been opened, please feel free to play around with it because it has many different videos. You can find it very resourceful and helpful. Okay, what about global official YouTube channel? You can click on channels and it will open up a page that has all the different countries. Now, again, please utilize this page because we don't speak all the languages that are listed here, right? If you do, God bless you, but we don't. So now you can go here. You can find some of the videos that you find it helpful. You can send it to your partners all across the world. Pretty amazing. This time, I really want you to pay attention. because the Atomy mobile app is probably one of the most important things to have on your hand at all times. All right, what does Atomy mobile app allow you to do is pretty cool. Not only you can shop for products, you can sign up new members, check points and commissions, check lineage, and more. So instead of using your smartphone just to play games, guess what you can do? You can earn $50,000 just by becoming successful with Atomy Business with your phone. Isn't that amazing? The Atomy Ticket app has been recently launched. So go back to global website, and under Atomy Hub, you'll be able to find Atomy Ticket. Now, Atomy Ticket allows you to register and attend seminars. It helps you to track your future Atomy schedules. And also you can schedule a visit to headquarters in Korea. Who wants to go to Korea with me? We have discovered some of the ways to find information about Atomy. I hope you found this video very informative. My name is Israel Kim SRM Master from San Diego Global Center. Thank you very much.